Let's see how to highlight text in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to emphasize a certain part of our text, and we can do that by highlighting it. Now to highlight your text, make sure that you are on the Home tab. Now, highlight your text or select your text that you want to highlight, and click on this button right here under the font section, which is by default a yellow highlighter, and that will allow you to highlight your text. Now, you can also change the color of your highlight by clicking on this arrow right here with different colors that you can use for highlighting. You can also turn off high contrast, which will open up more color options. And that is how you can highlight text in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.